Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Exotic Wear. My name is Tahira. I'm the owner of Pretty Kitty Threads, an exotic wear company for boss babes, and I also am the owner of DIY Exotic Wear, a company providing the tools necessary to begin or assist with your sewing journey. Today I'm going to be talking about these stocking outfits. I've been going crazy looking for stocking vendors. I wanted really specific stocking outfits like these. You don't really see too often. You probably are familiar with the fishnet ones, the fishnet dresses. So I wanted something different, and I was so happy when I came across this vendor. I will be selling this vendor. If you're interested, the link will be in the description box. And I know you guys are going to have questions about where's the vendor located, how much did I pay for everything. So I'm going to go into the details about that. And then once we're done with that, we're going to be turning this white cute stocking outfit into a romper. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna add elastic or trim yet. I'll decide as we go along, but let's get into the information about the vendor first. Okay, so I want to show you guys this stocking outfit like from head to toe. Don't mind my mess on the floor back there, but this was originally just a full body stocking, and I cut it up and turned it into a dress and some leg pieces. So I only paid $5 for these outfits each. And this outfit right here, it already came with the rhinestones on it. So you don't have to worry about rhinestoning this particular one, the black one. It already had the rhinestones and not a rhinestone popped off. So this stocking is really, really good quality. I can easily sell this for $80 or more. The pink outfit on the right originally looked like that white one, but I cut it and I trimmed it so it can have more lasting power, because these stocking outfits tend to be a little thin. So that's why you add the trim and the elastic so it lasts longer. So I just cut that in half and trimmed the top and the bottom of the skirt, and I trimmed around the neck hole and the bottom. So let's get into information about how much everything costed. Okay guys, so here's my package. I got about 5 different styles. This is what they look like when they come in the pack. And yes, they do come with the glove. And you could also put these around your legs. I tried them on around my calves and they fit. Okay, so let's get into the pricing. This vendor does have an MOQ, and the MOQ for most of the outfits are 12. So that means in order for you to get a discount price, you have to order at least 12 of the same style. Now they can be different colors. I got different colors. This was a free gift that they gave me, which was super nice. So there are different colors. You can get as many different colors as you want, so you don't have to get 12 of the same color. Now some of them, the MOQ was not 12, like one of them was 5. So every item is different, but for the most part, the MOQ is 12. So that might seem kind of high, but let me tell you guys how much everything costs. Let's get into the numbers, because at the end of the day, that's what's most important, okay? So I got a total of 41 outfits, and I paid a total of $190, okay? So when you divide that, 41 by 190, $463. That's not even the $5 an outfit that I paid. So you're getting a really good deal, and that is the point of purchasing in bulk. So this is a body stocking that I showed you guys, the birthday one. This is how it looks. And like I said, look at the rhinestones. They're already on there. Super great quality. Not one popped off. And they have different colors. I got black, red. They have so many different styles. This was just a test order for me. But I definitely will be going back. And again, if you're interested in this vendor, the link will be in the description box. Shipping took about a week. They shipped it via FedEx. It was very fast. Once I placed my order, I think they shipped it out within the next 2 or 3 days, and I got it a week later. So it did take about a week to get to me. This vendor is located overseas, aka China. Most of our stuff that we use it's coming from China, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. It just tends to take a little longer, and that's really the only downfall. If you want the best price, I highly suggest getting your items from China. So this is another type of body stocking. I haven't worked with it yet, but it's a full body stocking, and these are becoming very popular, these stocking outfits. I tend to steer away from them because I never really knew how to sew with them. I feel like they're hard to sew with, but with anything, you know, you just have to practice, and I've been practicing, and I'm going to show you guys how. I'm going to turn one of these outfits into a romper, just a basic romper. I might add some birthday elastic, I'm not sure, but let's get into that. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm not too familiar with making body stocking outfits, but I noticed that they are trending, so I'm doing what my dancers like. It's not about what I want to do and what about I like. This is about my customer, okay? And I think we tend to forget that. Yes, we are the designers, but we have to do what dancers like. It's not about what we like. And that's a reason why, if you're not getting any sales, that could be a reason why. Maybe you're not doing what the dancers want. Instead, you're doing what you want. Okay, so this is my first time making a romper. I did this before and I messed it up. So we're going to do this together, okay? And hope for the best. So this is what this outfit first looked like. It looked like that. And I added this trim and I added my rhinestones. So you figure you pay $5, I can easily resell this for 80 bucks because I added rhinestones. If you want to sell it for more than that, sell it more. You want to sell it for less, sell it less. I'm not going to tell you what to charge. Charge your worth. All I did with this one was cut it. I tried to do a romper. I messed it up. So I just turned it into a skirt. So we're going to try again. Because we have a lot of these outfits, so we can mess them up. And they're only $5, so if you mess it up, so what? Alright, so I'm trying a different technique than I did the last time. The last time I kind of just eyeballed it, and I just cut it. So let me zoom in so you guys can see. I'm going to be marking this up with a black marker. And it does not matter because it's going to get cut off anyway. Alright, so I'm seeing where her crotch is, and I'm going to make a U, a upside down U, just so we could get an idea of where to cut, okay? Because sometimes these things, they shrivel up once you cut them, and it could be a little confusing. That was the problem I was having. Okay, so I'm just making a U. And I'm sure there's other ways to do this. If you have a different way of doing this, let me know in the comments, because these outfits be really making my brain hurt. Which is why I don't do them, okay? But like I said, this is what my customers want. So this is what I'm gonna give them. So I'm doing the same thing on the back. I'm just drawing around the crotch and making that upside down U. And this is just gonna be like a guide on where to cut, because last time I didn't use a guide. I just serged it, and I don't want to do that because it came out wrong. So you can see that U in the back, I just traced around, and then we have our U in the front. And this is what sewing is all about. You're gonna mess up. Sometimes you can't be scared to mess up. That's why you buy a cheap fabric that you can mess up. And if you mess it up, oh well, you paid a couple dollars for it, all right? So now I'm just taking my scissors and I'm cutting, all right? So we have our outline. See how it stretches out when you cut it? That's what makes this fabric a little tricky to work with. But don't be afraid of it. Now we're gonna do the same thing in the back. Okay, so now after you cut it, you got your U in the back, your U in the front. Okay, so let's take this off and flip it inside out, because now we are about to take this to our serger and we're going to serge that U together. Okay, so flip it inside out. Now it should be right sides touching, and all you're gonna do is serge. So you see, you guys see that U? It automatically just lines right up. Okay, so you can use pins if you need pins. Okay, so now I'm just taking this and I'm pinning the edges together. Like I said, you don't have to use pins, but I'm gonna use pins because I'm a perfectionist and I like everything to line up accordingly. Alright y'all, I think this method is going to be the easiest for me. And I'm going to serge this, and when I serge this, I'm going to serge it twice because of the kind of material it is. You want to serge it twice. So now let's go over to the serger and we are going to serge around. Make sure you're catching both layers. Keep everything lined up.
Line that up. Make sure you're grabbing that crotch because that's a high stress area and you don't want it to be coming apart. Line everything up.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks perfect. So now I'm gonna go over it again, but this time I'm gonna turn my blade off on my serger because I don't want it to cut anything. So I'll put my knife down and now I'm gonna just go over it. This is what it should look like. Now let's flip it right side out and try it on our mannequin. So now let's put this bad boy on and hope for the best. I think we'll be fine. How easy was that? Okay, now we can add some rhinestones to it. I think I'm gonna add some clear rhinestones. And even I would make a thong, like a matching thong, because all of my outfits come with thongs. So this is the back. Very cute. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, if you are interested in purchasing this vendor, this is just one of many things you can do using these stockings. And again, they do come with arms, so you can add those in if you want. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I'll probably save them, and I don't know what I'm gonna use them for. But yeah, now you can either add elastic band to the bottom, you can trim this, you can trim the bottom, add some rhinestones, and now you have turned your $5 outfit into, you know, $50, $60, whatever you like to charge. So yeah, let me know if this method helped you. If you have another way of doing it, let me know. I know there's different ways to do things, but to me that was the easiest. Just draw your U, cut it out, flip it, serge it, easy peasy. You have this one, and then you also have these. You can add the elastic band to the bottom. You can add a flare. You can even add a ruffle. Oh, I think I'm gonna add a ruffle. But the thing with these is you have to remove the diamonds before you sew. But I think this is great because you don't have to worry about rhinestoning anything. And it looks so pretty in the club lights. I want you guys to see that. Okay, so you could turn this into a romper too. You can turn it into a skirt, a top, anything you want. The possibilities are endless, which is why I really started getting into these stocking outfits, because you could do so much. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. I will see you guys later. Bye.